Hey people, welcome back to Business Mindset. Ever since it was founded, Amazon has proved to be a super useful site. It is one of the easiest accesses to online shopping. Millions of customers use this to buy anything that they wish to from any place at any time. This availability of customers from around the globe and at all time make Amazon a great place for making quick money. Not just selling products, Amazon offers a large number of services that will allow you to choose from in order to earn money, some of which we've taken and made a list of, so you can actually make some cash. So in today's video, we have for you top 15 ways to make money on Amazon. Keep watching to number 1 and see which is best suited to you. Number 15, use Amazon Associates for affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates program is a way to earn some extra income without selling anything. If you have an existing blog or website, you can use this program. The program works by allowing you to earn up to 10% in advertising fees from qualified purchasers. To do this, you will have to write about a product, and anytime someone clicks on the link to purchase that item, you will get a commission. Amazon's websites has a full list of commissions per product. This can be great to use if you have a high traffic site with lots of clicks. It is simple to join and get approved, so try it out now. Number 14, become an influencer. Influencers are all over the web. They are found on Instagram, Twitter, and on just about any other social media website. Amazon provides an affiliate program that isn't connected to the Amazon Affiliates program named Amazon Influencers. Amazon items are promoted through this program. Promotions are done via Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. It requires you to be an existing influencer with a large following. They will ask you to promote a product. Both you and Amazon will benefit. You need to qualify as an improved influencer first, and when you do, Amazon will give you a unique URL that will lead to your own Amazon page. This page showcases products that you will recommend to your followers. You will earn a commission with every sale made through your links. This is a great way to boost your earnings and following as an influencer. Number 13, retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage pretty much means buying low and selling high. This can actually turn out to be a really lucrative way of selling. You can choose to make this a side hustle or use it to make a living. You can sell a wide variety of items with this technique. Many people that use this technique will try to avoid shipping costs to boost profits. To do so, they will just drive straight to the location selling the items they want and buy them directly as opposed to ordering online. You can even just buy clearance items from stores like Walmart and sell them on Amazon. You'll be surprised at how big you can earn. Number 12, publish books. Have you written a story before? Why not try publishing your book through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing? This is a service by Amazon that allows you to publish your books easily. You can earn cash for your writing once people start buying your books. You can set your own prices for all of your self-published books. It only takes about 5 minutes to publish and will be in the Kindle store across the globe in about 24 to 48 hours. You will be earning 70% of royalties from these sales and can make changes to your content at any time. This is for ebooks, but there is also an option for physical copies. For that, check out CreateSpace. Number 11, write reviews for Amazon Vine. This isn't necessarily a way to earn cash, but you can earn free products. Amazon Vine is a program where Amazon rewards you with free products in exchange for reviews. This is a way to encourage honest and unbiased reviews on their website. If you have written lots of helpful reviews on Amazon, then you may be eligible. You won't be forced to write a good review just because you got a product for free. They want honest opinions, and that is what helps them with their business, all while you get free stuff. Number 10, trade in used goods. This one isn't exactly a way to earn cash, but it does allow for compensation. If you have used video games, books, and gadgets, you can trade them in and Amazon will pay you with an Amazon gift card. If you want to make some cash, you can use this gift card for retail arbitrage and buy cheap items to sell. This is an easy option when you have lots of used items you want to get rid of, but you don't want to go through the hassle of setting up a garage sale or putting out a lot of listings. Just gather these items up and Amazon will give you an estimate on how much you will earn in store credits. Number 9, deliver with Amazon Flex. You may have noticed Amazon delivery people going around town. This website has its own delivery service. With Amazon Flex, you can apply as a part-time delivery driver for Amazon. The only requirement is that you need to be a licensed driver. Most of these drivers earn around $18 to $25 an hour, which isn't too bad. These earnings will be tracked through the Amazon Flex mobile app for your convenience. This is a highly flexible job, as the name suggests. The best part is that you can choose when to work, and opportunities are available 7 days a week. Number 8. Sell handmade goods. Handmade goods are always in demand. Did you know you can still sell some directly through Amazon? With Amazon Handmade, you can start earning with your craft skills. Sellers from more than 80 different countries are now selling through Amazon Handmade. Amazon uses an artisan-only application and auditing process to ensure that the products being sold are all legitimately handmade. There are no upfront or hidden fees, unlike many other similar websites. You will just need to pay a 15% fee once you make a sale. Since this is always in demand, you can start selling fast. Just set up your shop and choose your selling price. You'll be ready to go. Number 7. Sell products under Amazon's private brands. Amazon Accelerator is an Amazon program that provides incentive for manufacturers to create their own brands. Using this, you will sell products exclusively on Amazon as a private brand supplier. Amazon will help you through the entire process, and they will also be giving you useful tools in order to create your brand. They will even help with marketing. If you don't know what product to sell, you can use Amazon's product testing and use customer feedback to see what works. This program is great to use and earn some big cash. Number 6. Sell professional services. You may not know this, but you can actually sell professional services on Amazon. This can be done through Amazon Services. You won't need to pay any fees to join. You only pay a portion of the revenue share for completed jobs. There are many popular services to sell in categories such as apparel and jewelry, pets, business, education, and many more. You can join as a freelancer or as a registered business. If you have a skill in any of their categories, try it out and see that extra cash come in. Number 5. Work from home as an Amazon representative. Amazon allows you to work in the comfort of your own living room. How? Become a remote Amazon representative. Amazon's customer service team supports 16 languages and has over 130 locations worldwide. Many of these customer service employees work remotely. You can become an Amazon virtual customer service representative and work from the comfort of your own home. They always update their customer service associate jobs, so check up on it to see all of their part-time and full-time jobs and to check if you qualify. Then apply online. Easy! Number 4. Create custom merchandise with Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a great tool. This is for people who have great design ideas but have no resources to create their products. For example, you have sticker designs but no way of making stickers. Merch can help with that. This program works similarly to the website Redbubble and is just as easy to use. You will need to upload your design and select a product type and color. You will then get a product page. Plus, Amazon will take care of all the shipping, production, and customer service. While this is a great service, not everyone is eligible, so check out the requirements and fill out the form on their website. Number 3. Sell wholesale products. Amazon Business is a program that allows you to sell wholesale products. Instead of selling to targeted customers, you can sell in bulk. This marketplace allows business customers to access special prices while shopping in bulk on Amazon. This marketplace gives you unique business features. For example, you can accept requests for quotes. You can also display different quality and diversity qualifications on your page. This is a great place to sell because 55 different Fortune 100 companies use Amazon Business. In addition, 50% of the biggest hospitals in the United States and over 40% of governments in densely populated cities buy products using this program. You can sell a lot of different products and make a great income. Number 2, join Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is similar to the popular website Clickworker. This is Amazon's way of giving you money in exchange for small tasks. It is a crowdsourcing platform that needs people to complete tasks that computers cannot complete. Amazon calls it human intelligence task. All you'll need is some time and a stable internet connection. The tasks range from transcription to data entry to many other mindless tasks. You don't need any special skills to complete these, so check it out and start earning. And at number 1, sell products with Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This means as a seller, you will ship your items to Amazon's warehouse and they will take care of the rest of the shipping for you. This might cost you more than shipping it yourself, but it is the better option if you have a high volume of sales. It will take a bit of research to be a seller on Amazon, but it can bring you in a decent monthly salary. It also takes a bit of investment, but if you run your numbers right and do your research, you can make some extra cash. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.